Hello my dear students, welcome to our physics class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, motion. Motion is an important aspect in physics. In our day-to-day life, the impact of motion makes us to do so many things. Look at this ball. Is it at rest or in motion? Yes, we say it is at rest. For a moving train, it is in motion. Suppose a book is placed on a table. This book is at rest with respect to its surroundings. Think in another way. Our earth is rotating around the sun. Anything lying on the surface of the earth is also in motion. So we can thus conclude that the book is in motion with respect to the sun. Another example, a person is traveling in a train and he passes by another person standing in the track. The person standing in the track sees that everyone in the train is in motion, but all the persons sitting in the train are in rest when they compare each other. From this example, it is clear that a body will be in motion with respect to another object. But the same object be at rest with respect to any other object. Based on this, try to complete this table. The first example is similar to the one that we have discussed now. A passenger in a moving bus. With respect to the bus, the passengers in the bus is at rest. That is, when they compare each other, they are at rest. But with respect to the road, that is, with respect to the person who is standing in the road, thinks that the bus is moving, along with it, the passengers are also moving. Second question. A crow sitting on a cow grazing in the field. With respect to the cow, the crow is at rest, that it has no change on its position. But with respect to the ground, just think that the ground is on earth. When earth is moving, along with it the cow is also moving. That means the crow sitting on the cow is also moving. So we can say with respect to the ground, the crow is moving. Like this, try to complete the table on your textbook. From this, it is clear that we can state whether a body is at rest or in motion only with reference to another object. That this object which is taken as reference is called reference body. Once again, reference body is the object with respect to which the state of rest or motion of an object is described. Then, what is rest or what is motion? Yes. If the position of an object changes with respect to the reference body, then the body is said to be in motion. And if the position does not change, then the body is said to be at rest. A body in motion undergoes a change in position.